You're gonna love the 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Answer the call to adventure in refined luxury in the Grand Cherokee. It brings rugged versatility, advanced safety features, and passenger-focused technology along on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, V6 cylinder engine, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection. You don't have to sacrifice comfort to get all-terrain capability. Drive the Grand Cherokee.